Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to see all of you today. Hey, I have a great book about a sleeping bear. So I'm going to share my screen. So give me just a moment. And there we are. And the name of this book is Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. And mouse squeaks, it's too damp, too dank, and too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white popcorn and they brew some black tea. That sounds delicious. And Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare burps big burps. Oh my goodness. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share? I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up. Cozy down and dig in." Well, that was sure awfully nice of Badger to share his snack with his friends. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, and the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. A mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters a wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, and Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear ha-choo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh my goodness, that was some sneeze. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh my goodness, that sounds like one cranky bear. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Oh my goodness, that bear does not look very happy. In fact, he looks really sad. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." And look, friends, that's what they did. Bear gulps and bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. And then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Oh, look, now all his friends are sleeping and he's wide awake. All right. Friends, you should have gotten a paper that looks like this with a sleeping bear. And we're going to do some watercoloring. So you'll need your paints, your brush, and a glass of water. And the important thing to remember when you're doing watercolors is first water, paint, paper. So water, paint, then paper. You can say it with me. Water, paint, paper. I'm going to let you paint your paper here. And I'm going to stop screen sharing. And I'm sure glad you came to listen to my story about the sleeping bear. And I'm going to say bye-bye and see you all next time. So bye-bye.